So, without further ado, guys, welcome. Jen, let's start with you. I remember the first time I saw a jackfruit. I was wandering around a market in Whitechapel in the East End of London, and I saw this huge bobbly fruit. And I remember thinking to myself, I bet you don't get many of those to the kilo. Tell us a little bit about how you came to be working with this exotic fruit and why you chose it to be the core ingredient upon which you've based your brand.
Well, I've been in the food industry for 35 years, and I've worked with companies like Starbucks, also Eats Limited. I've also owned my own businesses, so I've seen quite a range of the food industry over that time. The last 8 years, I had a consultancy focusing purely on the plant-based development. And the food sector, working with companies like Tofurky and also Follow Your Heart. Follow Your Heart was sold to Danone last year. And how I came about working with jackfruits, really based from understanding what's happening in the market, understanding trends. And I really saw that there was a big opportunity in making really compellingly delicious tree-based meats that are really made with more whole foods, less processing, and really, science-backed sustainability credentials.
Okay, so the nutrition part of it was definitely something that was driving that, was it?
Yeah, 100%. The health and sustainability, because I was looking out to the other meat alternatives and really seeing, highly processed products that also had, taste and allergen problems, and also that just didn't have much of a sustainability story other than just plant-based meats.
And you mentioned that you had quite a lot of experience of working in the food service sector. How have you found that transition over to the consumer brand side of the business?
Yeah, I mean, really during my consultancy, I was focusing more on the brand side. There's a couple of factors. First of all, shelf life. A longer shelf life, but also really in the marketing side too. You need to get your message out effectively.